Okay, so in the last video, you'd seen us get this car back on the road again. It took a lot of misery to do, but the car is now here. It's currently got, why does it have mismatched wheels now? Oh no! Oh, yeah. We're back in the Troublemobile, back in the free Civic to go and pick up another piece of shit. Oh, well, it's a good car. The Monopoly guy was not fucking happy with you, mate. Big bad jaw. It's such a bop. I don't want to. I'm not hungry anymore. We've just bought the Volvo. Look at the amount of space we've got at the back. It's like a whole living room. There's a massive hole in the grille where somebody's gotten angry and thrown a huge rock through up inside of it. But apart from that though, the car is, well, it's pretty well sorted. It's actually the nice one. So, yeah. What are you gonna do? Our handbrake, it's getting away from us. What a fucking motor. Really random side quest. But for work, I have just collected a full system for an R35 GTR. That was complete. And now enjoy the next 3 minutes of footage where we're now going to beat and bully Kyle because he's now back. So we don't need to use him as a handbrake no more. I mean, we had the handbrake before. We just I'm sorry, Kyle. Kyle, he watches these videos. I'm sorry, Kyle. It's I'm milking it for content, okay? Kyle, please come back. Please, I need your Civic review. Don't start beeping him in like a residential estate. Just explain, I've never been so excited for a red light. Please go red. Please go red. Come on, go red. Oh, yes. It's gone red. Yes. As soon as it goes yellow, hand is ready. And this is before 11 o'clock, so this is still legal. It's just UK. This is like midday. Go! No, back to this though. This is absolute land yacht of a car. Oh, it's beautiful. Look, every single, I know these look like blanks, they're actually not. They're menu controls. But you're lucky if like 3 of the buttons do something. Somebody else did it! Yes! Oh, only the finest.
Some video.
No, you're not racist on video. So tell him, Bradford Special Man pulled up to your Civic
and he said, VTEC or SI? I was like, 1.4. And he said, you got to engine swap it? And I was like,
yeah.
And he said, B16B. And I went,
no.
I went, D15, but I'm going to put a turbo on it. Head shake of disapproval. You should put gate 24 in. And I was like, no. I went, I'm going to be buying a H22 for it though. And he goes, oh, sick. And it like turns green and he flies off.
Yes, mate.
So they can get out.
The big yellow things.
The disabled person cannot get out of their car anymore.
Man, keep coming. Whoa, what? Keep coming back, mate. Keep coming.
I hope no Polish people are watching.
I've got approximately 0.3 of my viewers are Polish.
Burgery. Zimnie na półzie.
0.3 of my viewers are overweight.
Baked beans from KFC, you're also just fat and retarded. 0.3 of your viewers?
Overweight.
No. You mean 0.3%? You've just one viewer that's acting as some fat midget.
And I've got like the 0.4, the 0.3 is like the one in a wheelchair because they're not. Wait, Cassie! Do a skid in it! Oh shit, the exhaust! No! Subscribe for more to see this guy.